Hey everybody, it's Lucas here. I am back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just a simple little maneuver to replace your regular bulb in your GR86 or perhaps BRZ. It is simple to do. It just requires a little bit of maneuvering. I bought this from O'Reilly's, so if you guys had any questions, this is the part, the numbers and everything. That's the LED bulb. What I'm going to do is just take my key that opens the trunk and I'm going to slide it right up underneath where the light cover is, and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's not very complicated. So what I did was, you can already see I've already placed this one right here. So I'm going to just take the key. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. You should be able to pretty soon. Oh, there it is right there. All right, so I just basically kind of went towards like the corner right here, and I'm gonna just slide this thing up underneath there. There we go. And it should just very cautiously kind of work with it. And you can see it goes right back in place. But all right, I'm gonna just pop this thing off. Okay, I'm gonna just take this off like so. Excuse me. Turn that off, and ow, wow, that's hot. That gets hot pretty fast. But anyways, I'm gonna let that cool just a little for a second, and you can tell right away that wow, I probably should have turned that off because that's pretty warm, to be honest with you. I'm gonna try to take this bulb out for you. Ah, there we go. Alrighty. Well, okay, so this right here is going to be the bulb itself, and I'm going to just put this in there. You should see, or you should be able to see the hookup like so, and I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do this. And just put that back in there, and there you go. And so now I'm gonna just put these covers back on, and let's see if I can do this properly. Oh, I don't know what's going on behind me, but there we go. Look at that. Cool stuff. Sounds like a Supra's back behind me. Anyways, alrighty, cool. And then just put it back to door, and look at that, folks. You got 2 LED bulbs in your car. How exciting is that? And so that took what, just about 3 minutes to do. Not too bad at all. But again, this is what I used. That's the number. So if you go to your local O'Reilly's or AutoZone, whatever you prefer, just look to see if they have this number or not, and hopefully they do. These bulbs tend to sell out quick for whatever reason. I guess a lot of people buy them. But anyways, I hope that this was informative. I hope this was able to help you out. Just a simple, quick, and easy little task to do. I prefer my car to have LEDs. It is a premium, so I think it should look and feel it. So yeah, this is all I have for this short little video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.